Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a revolutionary piece of sleep tech, the Oura Smart Sleep Mask. Designed to transform your bedtime routine into an immersive experience.
This device combines cutting-edge features to enhance your sleep quality like never before.
The Oura Smart Sleep Mask isn't just your average eye cover.
It integrates total blackout capabilities with built-in speakers and a unique glow light feature. This combination aims to create a tranquil environment conducive to relaxation and better sleep.
Let's talk design. The Oura Mask sports a sleek, modern look with a magnetic 3D hug insert that ensures comfort by relieving pressure around the eyes. It's available in a couple of stylish colors, emphasizing both functionality and aesthetics. From a performance standpoint, the Oura excels in providing a blackout effect, making it ideal for those sensitive to light during sleep. The integrated speakers deliver customizable soundscapes, from ASMR to guided meditations, enhancing the overall bedtime experience. However, the user experience isn't flawless. While back sleepers will likely find it comfortable, stomach sleepers may struggle due to the mask's design pressing into the face. The app, while functional, has room for improvement in terms of ease of use and functionality. In conclusion, the Oura Smart Sleep Mask is a standout option for those seeking to elevate their sleep quality with advanced features. Despite its drawbacks, including the steep cost, its ability to deliver a deeply immersive bedtime experience
makes it a worthy consideration for improving mindfulness and relaxation before sleep.
That wraps up our review of the Oura Smart Sleep Mask.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on cutting-edge products.
Until next time, sleep well and stay tuned for more from Product Critique.